Hey friends, so today I'm showing you how to make a nice little mask out of a bandana. So basically, you just take your bandana and if you fold it in the middle, you can iron this if you want to, but you don't have to. You want a nice crease in the middle so you know where your middle is, right here. Okay, so you just fold to the middle there, or roughly there. And then fold this part over to that also. Okay, then you flip it over. Yeah, you can see it's kind of got some creases in there. And just fold to the middle. And fold to the middle. Okay? Alright, now you flip that over. And you can use rubber bands. Try to get the same size rubber bands. Yeah, maybe that fit over your ear or whatever. And you just put this down right here. And get the other side. Put it on over there. Like so. You can adjust it however you want. And then this part here, fold that over. And you can fold this part over as well. Now if you want it to fit in there a little better, you can tuck it at an angle too. So like that. Alright, so now this part here is going to go into this part of the mask. So if you just kind of taper this a little bit, it'll fit in there better. If it's wider, just bend, just fold it a little bit more or whatever. But we want to tuck it into here, into that fold there. Just push it in there. Over and then flatten it out. If you had an iron or something and you put that on there, it's going to hold nicely, and then just goes over your ears like that, and you can put your mask on. And that's what's going to look like in the front. So you can adjust it if you want a little wider. You can pull it out a little bit and allow for a little bit of adjustment. But that's what it looks like. Basically, you just hook this over your ears and it fits nicely. If you're uncomfortable with the rubber bands like that, you can get a couple more rubber bands and put them together. So you can loop them through each other, and if you need to adjust it that way, it's too big or whatever, you can add another rubber band, or if you wanted to make it go around your head instead of over your ears, you can just get a couple more rubber bands and attach those so it fits like a regular surgical mask. So you just loop them through. Yeah, except when you get to the last one, there's got to be a way. Interesting. You could just tie it up if you want to. Anyways. So like that, if you want to go with the traditional around behind the neck, you can do it that way, or behind the head, or you can just do it this way with over the ears. And there you have it, a nice little stylish mask that anyone can do. So thanks for watching this video. Everyone be safe out there. Take care.